Have you ever wondered which platform is better for fashion design? Today, we're diving into Higgs Field versus Runway. Both tools help creators in the fashion industry bring their ideas to life. They allow users to design, visualize, and present their work in a unique way. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Higgsfield. This platform is known for its user friendly interface. It offers a wide range of templates and tools for designing clothing. Higgsfield also focuses on collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together on projects. You can share designs and get feedback in real time, which is a big plus. Now, let's talk about Runway. Runway is a bit different. It's more focused on video and animation, which can be great for fashion shows or promotional content. Runway offers powerful editing tools and a variety of effects. It's perfect for those who want to create dynamic presentations of their designs. So, what are the key differences? Higgsfield is all about clothing design and collaboration, while Runway shines in video editing and visual storytelling. If you need to create stunning visuals and animations, Runway might be your best bet. But if you want to focus on designing clothes and working with a team, Higgsfield is the way to go. When it comes to pricing, Higgsfield usually offers a subscription model, while Runway has various plans based on features. So think about what you need and how much you're willing to spend. In the end, choose Higgsfield if you're looking for straightforward design tools and teamwork. Go for Runway if you want to create eye catching videos and animations. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.